Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I'm back to do that giveaway that I promised to do the end of the video on Friday's video, week 29. So you had all weekend and all most of today, because it is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. So to go ahead and comment on that. So I know I'm behind the power curve. I didn't have a video today. I had classes all weekend. I normally do a lot of my filming over the weekend. And that way I can get, like, with this anyway, I can get multiple videos done. And but I had some beekeeping seminar training to do this weekend. So both days. And I've got one again next weekend. But I did buy all my hives, yay, at least to start with. So I'm excited about that, and some bee trapping. And when I say trapping, I don't mean cruelly trapping. It's they're actual little hives that you can set up to try and catch swarms. So that way you don't have to buy bees, and I can use natural bees that are locally here instead of buying them, stressing them by shipping them, because I really believe in all natural. That's how they live in the wild, and that's how we should be treating them. So anyway, so let's go on over to the computer, and I will select a winner for the Amazon $50 Amazon gift card, okay? And the requirements were to leave a comment on Friday's video, on that video. So and I didn't make the announcement so you had to have watched the video all the way to the end to know that. So but anywho, let's go on over and we'll go pull a winner. Okay, everybody, over at the computer, and this is week 29. This was last Friday's video that we did for the Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly. And if you watched to the end, you know that all you had to do was leave a comment, and I would select a winner for a $50 Amazon gift card. Okay, so I've already opened up the random comment picker. That's a mouthful. And so we are going to copy and paste that into this URL here. And then we want to filter any duplicate users. And we have 3 unique comments. So let's go ahead and start and pick a winner. Since there's only 3, it should be fairly quick. So good luck. And Crafty Cat, Amy, has been chosen by the random picker as the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. Amy, if you would, you know how to get a hold of me, either with my email or my Etsy, or you know how else to get a hold of me if you want, so that I can, and then that way you can give me the email information that I need. But I will leave it down in the description block below, just in case. So congratulations, Amy from Crafty Cat. You are the winner. Woo, yay. I love it when somebody I know wins, obviously. Of course, we only had 3, so that wasn't too bad. But, watch those videos, guys, because you just don't know when I'm going to have a surprise giveaway or an announced giveaway. Or this one was an announced short one, but the next one, who knows? So until next time, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.